Good morning, children. Let us begin with our lesson number 11, Nature's Gifts to Us. Nature's gift to us. Children, I hope you know what are natural resources. Nature has gifted us with lots of good things such as air, water, forest, soil, minerals, and wildlife. So these things are called natural resources. So natural resources are those things which are made by God. We depend on these resources for our daily needs. There are many resources such as roads, buildings, vehicles, table, chairs, etc. that are man-made. They are not natural. Children, in this chapter, we are going to talk about natural resources. Natural resources can further be divided into two parts, renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Today, we are going to study about only renewable resources. So, what are renewable resources? As the name suggests, you can guess that which can be renewed are called renewable resources. These resources are those that can never be exhausted or completely finished. For example, light. Light by sun, wind, water, soil, plants and animals are renewable resources. See children, there are many renewable resources over here. You can see it in the picture. Plants, animals, water, wind, sunlight. These are unlimited and it renews. That is why it's called renewable resources. Let us talk about renewable resources one by one. The first one is water. Water is one of the most important resources which nature has given to us. We cannot survive without water. This you already know that water is very important for us, not only for drinking, but we use water in many things. All living things like plants, animals, and human beings need water. Now, let us talk about soil. Soil is another very important gift of nature. It is formed from rocks and decomposing plants and animals. You can say the dead parts of plants and animals. It makes the outermost layer of the earth. Soil is required to grow plants. The more fertile the soil is, the better plants will grow. So, children, plants are very important for us and soil is required to grow the plants. So you can imagine the soil is very important gift of nature. The northern plains have alluvial soil that is the most fertile soil and so the crops are grown over here. Ganga river flows here so it is also called the food bowl of India. Now children, let us talk about plants. Plants, our green friends, are also a gift of nature to us. Nature grows lots of trees and plants in some areas. And what these areas are called? They are called forests. The leaves, fruits, flowers, trunks, all are great use to us. Hence, we should protect the forests. Children, now let us talk about various type of forest. The first one is evergreen forest. They are green throughout the year. Deciduous forests. They are called monsoon forest. The trees shed their leaves every year in the dry season. Thorny and scrub forest. These forests are generally found in desert areas. Mountain forest. These forests are found in Himalayan areas. And finally, the tidal forest. They are found near the deltas of the major rivers. Now, children, let us talk about animals. Animals are also natural, renewable resources. You can see the pictures of various animals. Animals are another very important natural resource. They are generally found in jungles. Some of the animals have been domesticated by man, like cow, horse, donkey. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals, as you all know. Example, tiger, lion, elephant, etc. Now children, I hope you have understood natural resources are of two types, and today we have learned about renewable resources. Let us revise all those renewable resources.
Natural resources are of two kinds: renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those that have the ability to renew themselves, provided they are not extinguished altogether. Examples for renewable resources include sunlight, wind, water, soil, forests, and livestock.
It's all for today children. Thank you for watching this video.